Hello students. Till now we have completed science lesson number 1 writing work. Today I am going to tell you about science activity book work. Now which is this book? See, you all have one blank page notebook which has no lines. Correct? That is our science activity book. We are going to put orange tape on that. Okay, so today let us see how are we going to do activities in the activity book. Okay, let us go for that. Now see, I am going to give you all the activities in written form. Okay, means I am going to mention activities in this video and then you have to do that. Okay, see, now this is your activity book. You have to cover and you have to write your name, standard, division. For subject you will be writing science activity book. Roll number you will write when you will get it. You are going to put orange tape on this. Okay. Now see, this is index page of the activity book. Here you know how to write the index because I have told you at the time of lesson number 1 writing work. Correct? Now this is the index and this is last year's book index. I have one child's notebook. Okay. She had not written the index, so I had to write it with red pen. तिने लिहिला नव्हता म्हणून मी लिहिलाय. पण तुम्ही असं करायचं नाही. आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू राईट इंडेक्स. यू विल बी रायटिंग. सी हाऊ इट इज रिटन. सिरियल नंबर इज रिटन. टायटल is heading, that is written over here, and date is written. Okay, the date which you are going to do, that date you are going to write, okay, in the activity book. Now when we turn the page, see, on left side page I have drawn one line. Why? This means you are not going to do activity on this left side page. You will be keep it blank because we need it to write the remarks. Okay, it is for teacher. Okay, you are going to do activities on the right side page. As you can see, you have to draw a half centimeter border for every right side page. सगळ्या राईट साईडच्या पेजना हाफ सेंटीमीटर बॉर्डर करायची आहे. ओके, देन देर इज वन बॉक्स फॉर द हेडिंग. In this box you will be writing heading. Okay, and how do we write the heading? Let us see. First let us see what the activity is. Science lesson number 1 activity is this. So activity number 1, A part, draw a tree and color the leaves with finger printing technique. Now I will show you how to do that fingerprint afterwards. Part B, draw and color a small plant. And part C, write 2 names of plants growing in hot places. Now children, you can use 2 pages for one lesson activity. Okay, so how do we do this? Let us see. Now see, this is one page. I have not written date because as I told you, you are going to write the date on which date you are going to do the activity. तुम्ही ज्या दिवशी activity करणार आहात त्या दिवशीची date तुम्ही लिहायची. Okay, then lesson number 1, activity number 1. Now on this page I have written only A part. A tree, you have to draw a big tree and then you are going to do fingerprinting. And when you turn this page, you are going to write the next part. Okay, see, this is next page. Upper part is B, that is a small plant, and lower part C, that is plants growing in hot places. Small plant you have to draw and color. Plants growing in hot places you are not going to draw. You have to write only 2 names. Here also I have drawn border. Now one thing you always keep it in mind, children, that you are not going to use sketch pens in this book. Okay, you all have to use crayons, then you can use oil pastels. Okay, but even watercolor also you can use, but you will not use the sketch pen because the pages are very thin. Okay, now let us go to the next activity. Okay, this you have understood how to do. Upper part you have to do small plant, then you have to write the names in the lower part. Now when you will turn the page, you have to do next activity. Activity number 2, draw a leaf. Tear some small pieces of green paper and paste those in the leaf. Draw a flower and paste pieces of colored papers in it. Write 2 names of flowers which are used to make perfume. Now see children, here you have to use color paper to tear and stick. But if you do not have color paper, you can take newspaper, you can color it and then you can paste it. Okay. Now let us see how do we do it. First, you all have to draw the border. Write heading. Then you have to write date also. See, first page, first part, A part I have written. A leaf. Then when you turn the page, you will see B and C. B a flower and C 2 flowers used to make perfumes. So children, in this way you are going to use 2 pages for one activity. Okay, तुम्ही तुमच्या मनाने डिवाइड करू शकता, but use maximum 2 pages for one activity. Otherwise, your book will not be enough for the year. Purna whole year we are going to use this book only. We are not going to use another book in term 2. So keep it in mind, only use 2 pages for one activity. Now activity number 3. Lesson number 3, activity number 3. Draw and color 4 vegetables. Okay. Then what are you going to do? Then second number is draw 3 fruits and color with fingerprinting technique. Okay. Now let us see how do we do it. First we have to draw border. We have to write heading. Okay, date also. And now see, I have divided the page in 4 parts for 4 vegetables. Left side page, as usual, we are going to keep blank. We are not going to do anything over there. Okay, next page, I have kept 3 boxes for 3 fruits, which you are going to color with fingerprinting technique. Now, what is this fingerprinting technique? You all have done in pre-primary school, but still I would like to show you how do we do it. See, I have done this. I have drawn butterfly and I have used first yellow color and then blue color. Okay, every time when you are going to dip your finger in one color, complete that color work, then wash your finger and then dip your finger in another color and do it. First you have to do light color painting and then you can go for dark color. Okay, this will not mix your colors. Okay, or however you want to do, you can do that, but you have to dip your fingertip in the color and you can put it over here on the paper, so the picture will look like this. Okay, it looks very beautiful and your fingers are small, tiny, so it looks more beautiful. Correct? Don't leave gaps in between. Okay, and you are not going to spread the color with the fingers. कोणी कोणी मुलं कसं करतात माहिती आहे, फिंगरप्रिंट घ्यायचं फिंगरवर कलर आणि तो सगळा पसरून टाकायचा, असं नाही करायचं, मग ते छान नाही दिसत. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कॅन डू दिस. अँड व्हॉट इज द color paper sticking work. That work is known as collage work. It is known as paper collage. See, I have torn the paper, then I have applied the glue, and then instead of glue you can use Fevicol. Then I stick the paper pieces in that picture. First color is pink, that I have done. Now after that also I took two colors. Okay, which are those? Orange and green. See, I have torn the paper first, and then I applied the Fevicol or glue, and then I pasted the paper pieces. Okay, this technique is known as collage work. And see how nice it looks. Wow, correct? So in this way you can complete your activities. Now till when you are going to complete these activities? You will be completing all three activities till 15th of August. 15 ऑगस्टपर्यंत पूर्ण करायचं आहे. आत्ता आपल्याला घाई नाही. तुम्हाला अभ्यास करून कंटाळा आला ना, when you will be tired of writing, then you do this. You will enjoy it. Okay? So this is all about activity book work. Okay? We will meet in next session. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.